Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for 1st April. I'll be coming again, or you'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 2nd April. So, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis because I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market and you do not miss the opportunities. Also check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And I would like to mention one more thing. As I mentioned in my other videos also, that from today onwards I'll be analyzing the currency pairs a little deeper. Okay, I'll be going for more detailed analysis because I want to make you a better trader. Okay, I want you to understand the overall picture of the currency. Okay, because I have received many comments and few messages over my website that how people are losing their hard-earned money, because so it's very pathetic. I was also in the same position, so I know how painful it is. So therefore I want you to have the complete picture so that you do not make any foolish decision. Okay, so let's start. So this is the present chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound. Okay, right now you can see that it's trading at 0.8511. As we all know, it was in downtrend. After that, 0.8535 was the level that provided the support or stopped the huge downfall. After the market went in consolidation, we made some money. Okay, but right now we can see that market is trading below this important level, 0.8535. So let me take you to the weekly chart first. As you can see, market is in clean downtrend on the weekly chart, and previous week market has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. Shooting star kind of a pattern generally suggests that yes, there is huge selling pressure. Market tried to go up, but market failed. Okay, sellers are still present in the market. Okay, sellers are still present in the market, so we should not be looking for buying opportunity in the market right now because buying position has not come yet. Okay, now let me take you to the overall picture. Okay, just look at this picture. Okay, just look at this picture. This is the picture, or this is the chart of Euro GBP from January. Okay, from January onwards, what do you see? Don't you see that market is in clean downtrend? So do you think in this type of market there will be any opportunity to buy? And if you're looking for any buying opportunity in a market like this, or if you have made any bad decision, then I must say, my dear friend, you have made the wrong decision and you must learn. Okay, because this is a clean downtrend market, and in a market like this you should only sell on rise kind of a market. Okay, now let us come to the present chart. So you have understood the factors. So market broke this level with this big green candle, sorry, big red candle, sorry. And though market made a candle, but you can see that there was some price rejection from below, and the previous candle also market made a hammer kind of a pattern, which means that buyers have recently joined in. There are some buyers present, okay, who are still trying to take the market upward. Okay, and as a result market bounced. Okay, market bounced a little. Okay, and as the market is being dominated by sellers, so they could not go up. Okay, ultimately market came down again. So market is in this range, and as you can see, I have drawn two lines here. So what you need to do is that as long as market is in this range, you should not trade. This is your no trading zone. Okay, because in the previous candle also, this candle also, you can see that market tested this level and went up. Okay, so this level is acting as a, or trying to provide the support to the market. So be aware. Okay, be aware, because if you sell here, and your stop loss will be somewhere around here, and your capital will be at risk, your trading balance will be at risk. So this is not the proper trade. What you should do, okay, you just wait for the market, because see, overall I have shown you the market is in downtrend. Weekly chart also telling us that yes, sellers are dominating the market. Therefore, only trading opportunity or only selling opportunity in this market is below this level, 0.8515 level. Okay, so if you see, okay, just observe the market. If you see the market has crossed this level, okay, has crossed this level, then wait for 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours, and just try to observe the market. Just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that, yes, sellers are there, sellers are dominating the market, then you just short the market just below this line, 0.8515 level. Or if you see that, okay, or if you see the market is not convincing enough, okay, market is not convincing enough and is struggling, okay, then you just avoid it. Okay, until and unless you're not sure about the trade, okay, you should not trade. Okay, therefore only trade if market crosses this level, because one thing we cannot deny, okay, one thing we cannot deny, market is in downtrend for last 3 months, so market is also heavily oversold. Okay, therefore until and unless market crosses this level with great amount of volume, okay, just avoid it. Okay, because it's your hard-earned money. Okay, you should not risk your hard-earned money in a chart that you do not understand. Simple. And there are multiple currency pairs available where you can make money. Okay, so wait for the pair to cross this level with great volume. Observe the price. If you are convinced, then only short the market. Simple. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. All the best. Bye bye. Take care.